So we'll aim to do maybe 50 to 100,000 humanoid robots next year, and then 10x it again the following year. It's like 500,000 robots in 3 years.
To achieve this ambition, Tesla Bot Gen 3 has officially gained the ability to autonomously recover from any incidents, including unexpected collisions. This allows the robot to continue its tasks without any intervention, meeting Elon Musk's expectations of an automated workforce that can assist humans in all situations. How did Gen 3 Bot pass the test flawlessly? Before we begin, please help us reach 5,500 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla Model Q, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. How did Tesla Bot Gen 3 showcase its capabilities in the latest trial? What happens when a Tesla bot falls? This isn't just a technical detail, it's a critical factor that determines trust, safety, and the real-world applicability of this humanoid robot in environments where it must live and work alongside humans. In real-life scenarios, robots won't operate under perfect conditions. Slippery floors, uneven terrain, and sudden collisions with people or objects can easily cause a loss of balance. According to a report by Boston Dynamics, a humanoid robot may encounter more than 10 fall risk incidents during a typical 8-hour work shift, depending on the environment. How Tesla Bot handles falling, including the fall posture, level of damage, recovery speed, and ability to resume work, is the clearest demonstration of Tesla's capabilities in AI, mechanical design, and control software. A robot priced at $10,000 like the Tesla Bot Gen 3 cannot be considered efficient if every fall results in broken joints, misaligned actuators, or requires manual repair. Meanwhile, Optimus Gen 3 is capable of walking at 5 kilometers per hour and lifting objects over 20 kilograms, which means it will often operate in dynamic environments where collisions are inevitable. Unlike industrial robots that work in controlled conditions, Tesla Bot Gen 3 is designed to function in complex spaces like homes, restaurants, and warehouses settings, where accidents and unexpected situations are common. Therefore, falling is not an anomaly, but an inevitable case that must be accounted for in design. If the robot cannot get up on its own, or requires human intervention, its usability and cost-effectiveness drop significantly. On the other hand, if Tesla Bot can treat falling as a normal part of its operating cycle, such as standing back up within 5 seconds and minimizing impact through smart adjustments of hip and knee joints, this would mark a major milestone in convincing customers to entrust tasks to a robot. Elon Musk once stated, "Tesla Bot needs to be able to operate safely and intelligently in a world built for humans." This implies the robot must adapt to falling something inherently human. Earlier prototypes like Tesla Bot Gen 2 were seen falling during demos, but Gen 3 has undergone major improvements, featuring 27 precision actuators, force feedback sensors that are twice as responsive as before, and more flexible joint designs to help mitigate damage during a fall. On the software side, Tesla holds a major advantage with its AI training infrastructure using video and virtual simulation, similar to the approach behind its autonomous driving systems. Every fall becomes valuable training data, helping Tesla refine its motion algorithms and optimize the robot's posture in millions of scenarios. Tesla is currently testing over 500 Optimus units inside its factories, and the falls that occur in real production environments are essential resources for building adaptive capabilities. Tesla can also push over-the-air OTA software updates, just like with its EVs, allowing each robot to learn not only from its own data, but also from the experiences of its entire global fleet. In the long term, the ability to recover from a fall will be one of the key metrics for measuring the maturity of humanoid robots. Investors, enterprise customers, and everyday users don't just care about robots walking, picking up objects, or folding arms. They want to know what happens when something goes wrong. And when Tesla can prove that Optimus Gen 3 can fall, stand up within 3 to 5 seconds, and continue operating without fault, that will be a clear signal that humanoid robots are ready for mass production and commercial deployment. What strategies will Tesla use to sell the Tesla Bot Gen 3? Tesla has been very successful in using pre-orders to attract customer attention, while simultaneously generating early cash flow. The low deposit requirement allows consumers to commit without significant financial concern. For example, the Cybertruck only required a $100 deposit for pre-ordering, and despite not yet being delivered, over 1.9 million orders have been recorded. Similarly, the Model 3 had a $1,000 deposit and generated $400 million in cash within the first few weeks of its launch, allowing Tesla to gauge real market demand. With Tesla Bot Gen 3, Elon Musk is highly likely to continue this strategy by launching global online pre-orders with deposits ranging from $100 to $500. This method enables Tesla to test demand and attract consumer interest, while also facilitating rapid fundraising before mass production. This approach not only benefits Tesla, but also allows customers to take part in a technological revolution without having to pay a large upfront amount. Tesla always delivers products based on the order of deposits, prioritizing the U.S. market before expanding to other countries. Models like the Model 3 and Cybertruck have followed this strategy, allowing Tesla to optimize production and delivery processes while minimizing risks when rolling out products in countries with stricter regulations. Tesla Bot Gen 3 will face several legal considerations, especially in the early stages when few countries have clear regulations around robots interacting with humans. The US will be the top priority market since it's where Tesla has its largest production base, and it's also easier to launch new tech products. International markets, especially Europe, China, and Japan, will face more legal barriers regarding robots communicating and working alongside humans. Therefore, it's likely that Tesla will initially limit Tesla Bot Gen 3 to the U.S. market, ensuring regulatory compliance, while also allowing opportunities to further develop and refine the product in real-world conditions. Delivering products in the order of deposit also helps Tesla create a sense of scarcity and motivates customers to place early orders to be among the first to receive the product. Tesla frequently introduces limited edition versions of its products, from Founders Edition to Launch Edition models of the Model S or Cybertruck. These versions not only carry a higher price, but also come with premium and exclusive features, appealing to tech enthusiasts and early adopters of cutting-edge products. With Tesla Bot Gen 3, Elon Musk may introduce a limited edition version, producing only a set quantity to test and validate the product in real-world environments. This version may include the full 1,000 features, and be priced higher to attract early customers willing to pay a premium for advanced technology. These early adopters will play a critical role in providing real-world data to help Tesla optimize the product. While this limited edition may have a high price tag, possibly from $10,000 and up, it will be an important tool for Tesla to not only test performance, but also build a premium and breakthrough brand image. One of Tesla's biggest success factors in selling its products is its direct-to-consumer model, without going through dealerships. This enables Tesla to control the entire sales process, from pricing to software updates, OTA, as well as warranty and customer support. This model helps Tesla cut dealer costs and ensures a seamless customer experience. For Tesla Bot Gen 3, direct sales will be even more critical. The Tesla Bot is not just hardware, but also a service connected to Tesla Cloud, where the robot's AI and software will be continuously updated. Selling directly through Tesla's website or showrooms will ensure timely software updates and allow Tesla to maintain the highest levels of quality control and customer service. Tesla is known for its flexible pricing strategy based on market demand and production costs. For instance, Model Y prices were adjusted up to 5 times in 2023 alone, showing that Tesla is always ready to adapt to real-world conditions to maintain its competitive edge. This allows Tesla to not only adjust prices based on demand, but also reflect the product's true market value. Tesla Bot Gen 3 may start at a price point of $10,000, but Elon Musk could raise the price if demand exceeds supply, or if technology and features improve. On the other hand, if Tesla achieves large-scale production and reduces costs, the price could drop to reach a broader mass-market segment. One of the strategies Tesla could apply to Tesla Bot Gen 3 is a subscription model. Tesla has already experimented with monthly subscriptions for FSD on its EVs, and a similar model could be introduced for its robot. A $200 to $300 per month rental fee would be a reasonable range, allowing businesses and households to access the robot without needing to invest a large upfront amount. This rental option would not only help Tesla generate recurring revenue, but also give more customers, especially small businesses, an opportunity to experience high-end robotics without significant initial investment. With these strategies, Tesla Bot Gen 3 promises to usher in a new era of bringing robots into everyday life, whether through pre-orders, prioritized deliveries, or direct-to-consumer sales. Every element reflects Tesla's careful preparation to get the product into customers' hands as quickly and efficiently as possible. If this strategy succeeds, Tesla won't just create a massive robot market, it will fundamentally change the way we interact with technology in our daily lives. Once again, please help us reach 5,500 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you. How will legal and regulatory challenges impact the global deployment of Tesla Bot Gen 3? When deploying the Tesla Bot Gen 3, Tesla will face legal and international regulatory barriers, which could significantly impact the speed and scope of the product's rollout. Regulations related to robot safety and data security are critical factors, especially as Tesla continues to expand its product and service offerings, including electric vehicles and autonomous driving technologies. In the U.S., the Tesla Bot will need to comply with strict safety standards set by the Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC. It is known that Tesla has undergone rigorous testing for its vehicle lineup, especially electric vehicles and autopilot systems. This creates a certain foundation for the Tesla Bot, but it will still have to undergo separate testing and certification processes. The safety certification process could take from 6 months to 1 year, potentially delaying the Tesla Bot's deployment in the U.S., similar to Tesla's earlier electric vehicle development phases. In other markets like Europe, the Tesla Bot will encounter strict data privacy regulations, particularly under the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. Although Tesla already has experience handling user data through its autonomous vehicle systems, the Tesla Bot may require even stricter data protection measures to comply with these regulations. Compared to competitors such as Boston Dynamics, companies that primarily develop robots for industrial applications where data privacy is not a top priority, Tesla Bot, which aims to enter the household and consumer space, will face more demanding data security challenges, especially if the robot is directly connected to smart home systems. Another critical factor is the variation in home robot regulations between countries. For example, in Japan, the Tesla Bot will need to meet extremely high safety standards, as the country has a well-developed household robotics market. However, the certification process in Japan may take 6 to 12 months, which could delay the Tesla Bot's launch there. Tesla will need to adapt its product strategy and rollout timeline depending on the legal requirements of each country. Deploying the Tesla Bot in major markets like Japan and the European Union will encounter legal barriers, much like when Tesla introduced its autonomous vehicles in these regions and had to make regulatory adjustments. Tesla may prioritize markets with a clear legal framework for household robots, just as it did when launching its vehicle lines, such as the Model 3 and Model S, in countries where electric vehicle and autonomous driving regulations were already established. The Tesla Bot rollout in these markets may proceed more quickly, while other countries may require more time to develop or revise their regulatory systems. Compared to rivals like Boston Dynamics and Figure AI, Tesla Bot may face more difficulties due to tighter legal and data protection requirements, since its competitors mostly focus on industrial applications. Lastly, these legal issues could influence Tesla's pricing strategy. Compliance with strict safety and data privacy regulations may increase the production cost of the Tesla Bot. This could lead Tesla to adjust its initial pricing when the product launches. However, Tesla may also adopt a price reduction strategy once large-scale production is achieved, similar to the flexible pricing approach it has used for its vehicle models. Meanwhile, competitors like Boston Dynamics may keep their product prices lower due to not bearing the same legal costs related to data and user safety compliance. The deployment of Tesla Bot Gen 3 will have to overcome numerous legal and regulatory challenges globally. Elon Musk will need a flexible and proactive strategy in adjusting the product and its sales approach to overcome these hurdles and ensure the success of the Tesla Bot, just as Tesla has done with its electric vehicle products. We appreciate your contributions and hope you will have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the Techno Creator family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.